In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Wrike. By the end, you'll have the Wrike for Gmail add-on set up so you can bridge your inbox and your work management in just a few clicks. This integration is great if you want to streamline follow-ups, capture tasks from emails, and keep projects organized without switching tabs all day. Start on a desktop computer using Chrome and open Gmail. Make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account you want to use with Wrike. On the right side of your Gmail window, you'll see a vertical sidebar. Look for the small plus icon labeled Get Add-ons. If you don't see the sidebar, expand the side panel using the arrow at the bottom right of Gmail. Sometimes it's hidden to save space. Click the plus icon to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar at the top, type Wrike for Gmail and press Enter. You should see the official Wrike for Gmail add-on in the results. Click it to open the app page and take a quick look to confirm it's the right tool. You can review the description and screenshots if you'd like a quick overview of how it works inside your inbox. Next, click Install. Google may prompt you to confirm which Google account you want to use, and you'll see a permission screen explaining what the add-on can access. These permissions allow Wrike to display and work with your email content so you can create and update tasks from Gmail. Click Allow to proceed. Installation usually takes just a few seconds. If you don't see the new Wrike icon appear in the Gmail side panel right away, refresh your Gmail tab, and it should be there. Now click the Wrike icon in the Gmail sidebar. A panel will open asking you to sign in to your Wrike account. Go ahead and sign in using your usual method. Depending on your organization's settings, you might be directed through single sign-on or a standard login. Once you're in, Wrike will ask for permissions to connect your Wrike workspace with Gmail. Review the details so you understand what the add-on can do, then click Allow. You can always manage or revoke access later through your account settings if needed. That's it. You've connected Gmail to Wrike by installing the Wrike for Gmail add-on, signing in, and approving the permissions. You're now set up to manage work more efficiently right from your inbox.